Hi, this is Shelley Kraft coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the BioMaryland booth at Bio International 2014 here in San Diego, California. I have with me Dr. Michael Smith from Montgomery College. He's the program manager of BioTrain. We're going to find out about BioTrain. Welcome to SNNLive.
Well, thank you, Shelley, for having me.
It's good to have you. Okay, let's find out about BioTrain. It sounds very interesting. Tell us about it.
BioTrain is an initiative that started with the State of Maryland Department of Labor Licensing and Regulation. It's part of their EARN program to put people to work. In our particular case, what we're doing is we're training people in biotechnology for both for entry-level work and for incumbents. And it's an industry-led initiative, which is different from all the other types of training programs that have been around in the state. And there's a lot of them.
Well, let me tell you, it's very important because if you don't have the employer fulfillment of worker bees, they're not coming to Maryland. So you know one need fulfills another one's needs, right? I mean,
exactly, and we find out about these needs by going out and talking to the industry leaders like MedImmune and BioReliance, and there are a lot of other members of the partnership whose names I'm not going to remember on camera, but there's several of them, and we are also partnering with BioMaryland and with the Department of Economic Development in Maryland, in Montgomery County, and also with MD Bio. And the idea is to find out from the employers what they need. What do they need in an entry-level person? What kinds of training do they need for the people that are already there? And we bring them into the partnership, we discuss that, we figure out what we can do with the resources that we have, and we're starting to develop that, and we anticipate an ongoing partnership which is going to grow and grow and grow to include, we're hoping, all of the biotechs in Maryland working together with our training partners and with our government partners to really provide a strong workforce so that more companies are going to come here, more companies are going to stay here, and more companies are going to expand here.
It all makes sense. How big is the talent pool?
The talent pool is very big. Maryland has a lot of highly trained people that are gifted and they're talented. The main problem, Shelley, is communication, is for them to know what biotechnology is, what's required, and what kinds of jobs can they get. There's a wide variety of jobs within biotech, not just at the bench. There are clinical trials jobs, and there's a lot of those, in which you are managing the development of drugs from soup to nuts, from the very beginning, bench stage, to an actual medicine or a treatment or a diagnostic that is used in the hospitals.
So you can actually take students who are registering to come to Montgomery College and know in the back of the corporate mind that's involved in using these people when they come out of school and give them like, hey, we need them to do this. Put them into these classes and they'll have an opportunity to become a part of our corporation. Is that what I hear?
That's exactly what we're doing, Shelley. We're responding to what the employers have told us they want by training the people in the ways that are really relevant to the workplace, the real workplace. I've been in the business for 30 years. I just joined Montgomery College, and I know what's needed out there from my perspective, but I don't know what's needed from the perspective of all the different companies in Montgomery County and in Maryland. And that's
what changes,
right?
And it's growing. So you know, it's numbers, but it's quality. And I think what you're doing is providing quality employees.
That's right, and that's exactly what we're after. A lot of quality employees. We want companies to come here. We want to be counted among the states like California, like Massachusetts, and like North Carolina. That the state has put a lot of effort and it has paid big dividends because that's a very good industry to have within your borders.
For more information, what's your website we'd like to give out?
The website is Montgomery College website, www.montgomerycollege.edu. I've been in the business so long, I almost always say com. It's edu.
Ladies and gentlemen, the EDU guy here is Dr. Michael Smith from Montgomery College. He's the program manager of BioTrain. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNNLive. We're at the BioMaryland booth at Bio International 2014 right here in San Diego. Doc, thanks for coming on to SNNLive.
Thank you, Shelley.
Good to have you.